Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin now, pick one clear goal and open your camera. Frame yourself in 16:9 and set 1080p at 2430 fps so motion looks natural. Once you have goals, write a brief intro and 3 main points. This keeps your video focused. Record the first take immediately to capture momentum, knowing you can refine later. Make sure to do a quick sound check and 1 ambient noise listen. Good audio prevents rework and keeps viewers engaged. Once the intro is set, shoot your 3 main points using a wide, medium, and close shot to create visual variety. Between takes, film 10-20 seconds of B-roll that illustrates each point so you can cover edits smoothly. Make sure to watch audio meters and keep peaks around -12 to -6 dB to avoid clipping. Pause briefly between sentences to allow clean cuts, and label your takes as you go so editing remains fast and logical. You finish by creating a rough cut that trims footage to the strongest 60-70% of what you shot, focusing on energy and clarity. Then insert B-roll and captions to reinforce key points. Use simple transitions to keep pace, but avoid distracting effects. Export a small test clip to check sound and color. If audio is noisy, replace it with ambient track plus a clean vocal overdub or a retake. This fixes most issues without losing your core message.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.